Hong Kong Web3 Festival 2023, CoinW and the Resurgence of Crypto in China. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. Let us get started with today's blog. The Hong Kong Web3 Festival, taking place from April 12 to 15, 2023, marks a significant milestone for the resurgence of cryptocurrency in China, especially with the country's recent lifting of its 5-year ban on crypto. In this blog post, we will discuss the significance of this event for the crypto space, CoinW involvement, and how it reflects the renewed interest in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in China. The Hong Kong Web3 Festival, a gathering of industry leaders. The Hong Kong Web3 Festival, held at the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center, is the largest ever cryptocurrency event in the region. With over 10,000 attendees, 300 distinguished speakers, and about 100 Web3 projects from around the world, the event provides a platform for industry leaders, top VC investors, media, and emerging forces to network, share, and learn about the latest developments in the crypto and Web3 space. Coin's active participation, networking and collaboration. CoinW, a leading global cryptocurrency trading platform, has been invited to attend and participate in various Web3-themed events at the festival, including the afterparty, private yacht reception, and closed-door workshops. By co-organizing and attending these events, CoinW aims to strengthen its connections with government figures, Web3 project founders, investment institutions, regulatory bodies, and experts to explore the future development of Web3 technology. CoinW expansion into Hong Kong, embracing regulation and localization. CoinW is reportedly in talks with Hong Kong authorities and actively applying for a cryptocurrency trading platform qualification and license. To comply with local regulations, CoinW plans to establish a localized trading service center in Hong Kong, focusing on providing crypto asset trading services to institutional investors and high-net-worth individuals in the region. The impact of the Hong Kong Web3 Festival on the crypto landscape. The Hong Kong Web3 Festival signifies China's growing interest in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, following the lifting of its ban on crypto. The event's magnitude and the participation of influential companies like CoinW reflect the potential for Hong Kong to become a new Web3 hub, driving innovation and investment in the space. As more countries and regions embrace crypto, the global landscape will continue to evolve, with increased competition and collaboration among key players. Conclusion. The Hong Kong Web3 Festival 2023 and CoinW involvement in various events highlight the resurgence of cryptocurrency in China and the potential for Hong Kong to become a new Web3 hub. As China continues to embrace digital currencies and blockchain technology, the global crypto ecosystem is expected to benefit from increased innovation, investment, and growth. CoinW expansion into Hong Kong highlights the company's commitment to compliance and localization, setting an example for other crypto firms looking to enter new markets. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.